Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to find contacts on Instagram. So first of all, you need to go to your profile, then go for in this three line option, click on this settings and privacy. Now go for account center and you can see here is option as your information and permissions. Click on it and go for upload contacts, then go for your profile, and all you need to do is just turn on this slider and you are now connected with your contacts on Instagram. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.